This is a test video of a Panasonic camcorder. This is the video quality is. This is not my camera, by the way. This is a college camera. But we're gonna do a video of the lift, the Monospace lift here, and we're going to see how good it is. Actually don't. I'll let go by myself.
You'll ruin it. Be careful with the camera, please.
I will. As you can see, I'm filming with this camera. It's not mine, it's the college's. As you guys know, the capacity is 530 kilograms, 8 persons, installed in 2006. I'm gonna go for one. Okay. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna go for one more go, then I'll come back up.
Hey, we're getting out.
Hold on. Hold on, I'm coming. Yeah, I'm on session at the moment, so.
Floor 0.
Right, I'll have to be quick. There you go, slow go.
Going down.
We can move to here now. That's yeah, that's my water. Anyways, watch it close up. Watch it close up. And there it goes. And that'll be it. Thanks for that.